For me, Wrecsam Town of Sanctuary made me feel like I'm part of Wrecsam. So when doing something for refugees and for natives as well at the same time, made me feel more connected to it. So I felt more a Welsh person now, a part of this country. Yeah.
I say Wrecsam is my home. It's where my heart is, because I have felt embraced, valued, and welcome in this town. People in Wrecsam have been really wonderful.
Of course, I feel Wrecsam is my home. Our home is not where we come from. Our home is when we feel safe. And that's exactly what we are here in Wrecsam. We feel safe. We feel people's love around us. So it's our home now, definitely.